Hey, this is Rocher here from realdigitalsuccess.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can choose a affiliate product. In this video, we'll go over the research that has to be done beforehand. We're going to go over the requirements for a affiliate product, and we're going to go over a few examples where you can find all kinds of affiliate marketing products. But before we get into that, I want to give you a quick reminder to take a look at the links in my description, because there I will be putting all the resources that are named in this video, plus a lot of resources that can help you on your affiliate marketing journey. So now that got that out of the way, let's get into the video. So hundreds of affiliate marketing products are created every day. But how are you going to select the best ones for you? To be honest, to select the best affiliate marketing products, you're going to have to take a step back and take a look at your niche in general. Because a lot of people think a niche is just a product, but a niche is way more than just a product. A niche is really the subgroup that is using that particular product. And you're going to have to find out what makes your particular niche tick. So you're going to have to look at their pain points, such as things they're frustrated with, the things they want to achieve, the place in the situation they are right now, the situation where they want to go, and how your products are going to bridge that gap. A standard practice that I use when taking a look at the affiliate product, taking a look at the path that they're going to have to take to bridge that gap and looking at the roadblocks in between. I will pick at least three roadblocks and then see if I can find an affiliate product that can solve any of those roadblocks. An example of a niche and breaking that down, for example, could be something like golf. It's pretty broad, but for this example, let's just use it. Let's say your niche are beginners at golf. So they're at the point that they're interested in beginning in golf, and the end point is being able to golf, learn the skill set, and just have some fun, probably, or become a pro. Who knows? That's depending on what your particular niche is. But there are some roadblocks in between that you can offer affiliate products with. So, for example, the first thing that people need to know about golf is, for example, what kind of equipment should they use. So, this could be golf balls, golf clubs, all that kind of stuff. So that could be a roadblock. They don't have the knowledge about that. Another roadblock could be learning the techniques or learning golf in general. So maybe there are some courses out there or some services that have affiliate programs that you can offer as a affiliate product. The third one might be finding golf courses in the neighborhood or somewhere else where they can actually golf. Maybe they have some affiliate products for that. And the moment you know what these roadblocks are, you can start looking for all kinds of affiliate products that would fulfill overcoming those roadblocks. But that doesn't mean that every affiliate product that you'll put in there would be a great fit for it. This is why I always have three requirements before selecting a product. And I will tell you exactly why I created those requirements. The first one is, do the products deliver on the promises? As an affiliate marketer, you need trust. You need to build a relationship with your niche. If they don't trust you, they are not going to buy things from you. So if you recommend products that don't deliver on their promises, those people are going to remember that and you'll lose trust with them. And word of mouth goes, so before they know it, there might be bad ratings about you and you're not going to get customers in the future. So always look for products that deliver on promises. The second requirement would be, do they have a quality funnel? I remember when I started, I picked one particular product as my flagship affiliate product from an affiliate business. But for some reason, no matter how much traffic I directed to the website, none of it was converting. I tried everything. I tried making all kinds of videos to explain how great it is. I created all kinds of landing pages. I made blog posts and everything, but things weren't converting. And the reason why it wasn't converting was because the sales at the affiliate company that I was directing them to was horrible. So they did everything wrong, from the landing page to the customer service. Everything was just a mess. So you need to remember, as a affiliate marketer, you don't have influence over what happens after you've directed them to that affiliate company. So that's why you have to make sure that their funnel, their landing pages, their communication, and everything is on point to make sure that your conversion rate is as high as possible. My number one suggestion for that is to actually use the product and go through that funnel so you can see exactly what they are doing, or just go through it up until the last point that you will have to purchase it to get a bit of an idea of how they are selling their product and if it is a winning product. The third requirement is them having a good reputation online. This kind of is connected to the first one, only now it's applicable to the affiliate company and not just you. Because if a company doesn't have a good reputation, it's going to get hard to get sales. And this is something that I have experienced in my journey as an affiliate marketer as well. I remember just like with the first thing, I found other products for other niches and they weren't converting as well. And at a certain point, I was even doubting everything that I learned from affiliate marketing because I was like, damn, I'm doing everything right. What they're telling me in these courses, what these mentors are telling me, what all these people on YouTube are telling me, but I'm not getting the sale. Then what I found out when I did a quick Google search of the affiliate products, I noticed that there were all kinds of bad reviews. On bbb.org, they had all kinds of bad testimonials, Trustpilot, one star, everything was just horrible. And me, as a rookie affiliate marketer, didn't know that I had to research their products as well to see what the reputation was about it. So I was basically just promoting something that a lot of people didn't like. And that doesn't even mean that the product has to be a bad product. I know good products that actually have a bad reputation because of things they did in the past. And normally, when a product has a bad reputation, but you've used it and it has produced good results for you, sure, you could actually defend the product. But in my opinion, in most cases, it just isn't worth it. Most of people get into affiliate marketing to do the least amount of work possible. So, in comparison to, for example, drop shipping, where you have to do customer service and all that kind of stuff, affiliate marketing is here simply to recommend things, to keep it simple. So I would always advise you, even if the product is good, you might give it a chance to defend the product with your own content, but I wouldn't recommend it. I would just go with a product that has good reviews, good ratings, and make it as easy as possible for you. So now I wanted to look at a few ways that you can find your own affiliate products. The first tool that I want you to consider to use is Google itself. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So the first thing we can do is try it out with Google. So what I'm going to do is put in the word affiliate program as a keyword and then combine it with a niche. So for example, let's do affiliate program plus, and let's do travel. So right now you're going to get all kinds of results for affiliate programs from travel agencies that you can go after. So first you have the paid options. I'm not going to press on those because they're going to have to pay every time somebody clicks on them. But for example, you also have your other ones. These are all kinds of blogs that have listed all the affiliate programs that have to do with travel, and you can just go to them. So for example, let's go here, 18 best travel affiliate programs. So here they have a entire list with 18 of them, and they also give some information. So that's a pretty easy way to find all kinds of affiliate programs and products that you can use. The second method you can use is to look at merchant websites and see what they have. So I have a few examples of merchant websites that you can go, for example, for physical products. I'm going to show you them right now. So the first one would be Amazon. Amazon basically sells everything. So a lot of niches can find products here that they can use. The same would go for example eBay or Walmart. These are all merchant websites where you can find physical affiliate marketing products. All these merchant websites have affiliate programs, so most of their products can be sold for a commission. If you're interested in selling software or digital products, then these few are websites that you can look into. First one would be JVSU. You could also go to Junkie or CJ Affiliates. You could do ClickBank, which is one of the most popular affiliate marketing places out there. And you have Warrior Plus. If you're trying to promote educational content or courses, then some options could be udemy.com, for example. You could go through Skillshare or you could go to Coursera. I've gone through all these examples a little bit quick, but don't worry, I will put all the links of these websites in the description so you can look at them for yourself. So this is basically how I find ideas for affiliate products and how I screen them to make sure that I get the proper products. So yeah, that's all. I hope this video was of value for you. If it was of value, subscribe to the channel. Take a look at the links. Hopefully you'll find some more value there. And yeah, that's all I had to say for today. Lachey here. Peace.